Welcome to SEALCOIN, the decentralized platform that brings secure, seamless, and efficient IoT transactions to life. Today, we'll guide you through the onboarding process, ensuring your devices are securely connected and ready to interact within the SEALCOIN ecosystem. To begin, access SEALCOIN using a trusted digital identity provider. Here, we're using WiseID, ensuring a seamless and secure authentication process. Once inside, securely connect to your preferred wallet solution or create one instantly. In this demo, we're using Kabila Wallet. Your organization's wallet acts as a financial hub for your devices, enabling transactions whenever they need to buy services or receive payment in T-IoT tokens. With your wallet set up and loaded with T-IoT tokens, you can now onboard your devices. Each operator can easily register a new device by selecting its application type and entering the required details. To ensure secure onboarding, the device operator must sign its first transaction to enable the public key of the device to be added to the wallet. This verification process confirms that the device is authorized to use the associated wallet for transactions. Once added, the device requires an active certificate for authentication. This certification provides a unique identity to the device for a defined validity period, ensuring trusted interaction within the IoT ecosystem. You can configure the validity period based on your operational needs, reinforcing device security and authenticity. The final validation process tokenizes the device, securing its identity and integrating it safely into the IoT ecosystem. Your onboarded device now appears in your device list, where you can check its details and certificate status. By accessing the services page, you can verify that your device is now active within the ecosystem and ready to provide services. For a complete overview, visit your dashboard to manage active devices and certificates, wallet balance and transaction, and secure services exchanges. With SEALCOIN, onboarding is effortless, security is paramount, and the future of transactional IoT is at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. Get started with SEALCOIN today and unlock the full potential of secure and autonomous IoT transactions. Visit us at www.sealcoin.ai.